Kirtan is a devotional singing and Hindu chanting to the gods and goddesses from India, and there's a mantra that Vihan taught his family, and the mantra is
Om Ram Ram Om Shrim Thom Nim Patre Patre Deva Namo Bhute Deepe Rim Sham Kam Tim Yoga Pivatamanam Ram Ram Bhagavate Glam Mahashtayo Kasiddhim Mam Pradate Shri Sahajananda Paramatmane Namaha Om Tham Bam Am Ram Yum Om.
And now time for Kirtan.
आज सखिया नंदनी रेली हरि मुख जोई नेहु थई छोरे गेली हरि मुख जोई नेहु थई छोरे गेली।